Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. I've been itching to get back outside lately, so I decided to take on the challenge of making a paracord hammock. The result didn't turn out quite as nice as I would have liked. Still, it's... But it was still a fun challenge. If this is a tutorial that you'd like to see us do on the channel, let us know in the comments. But for now, got my spool of paracord, let's get into it. So in trying this out off camera, we noticed that it was still a bit narrow. You'll see in the next shot. So if you make this for yourself, we'd recommend using some spreader bars or just making it wider with more than 20 cords to weave. If you want to learn how to make these hammock straps, check out the link in the description. We have a video just on that subject. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.